mackerel. See, this overcast day is not the best. If it's a nice sunny day, mackerel feed better. Something wallop this. Be interesting to see what's hit this, because it's had another dive just now. Come on, where are you?
That's some big mackerel in the last time.
Yeah, but so this is actually pollock. It's a nice pollock. Yeah, I didn't think it was a mackerel. Whee, he's off again. Come on, son, up you come.
You good?
Oh well, that's not a bad start, is it? Have a go for the mackerel feathers, and there we go. We get halfway down.
We'll leave it on the mackerel.
Yeah, we'll leave him on there. Let's park the rod up. There we go. We're on board Waif Chieftain off Falmouth. Just popped out to stop to get some mackerel for bait. Drop the feathers over the side and we get whacked by this pollock. He's what, 6-7 pounds, nice fish. We're actually testing some WSB gear, a set of WSB mackerel feathers, and they obviously work very well for other species. Well, that was a pretty good start. We'll just have a look at the gear I caught it on. Got these WSB tinsel feathers. The idea was to get some mackerel for bait or a few for the barbie later, but they obviously work very well. The rod we got here is the Orbula carbon boat rod, 7 feet long, 15 to 20 pound class, so it's not very heavy, and it's the WSB C20 reel. Loaded up with braid. We're in about 90 metres of water, so you need mono. Stretches too much and you lose the feel, but the braid, low stretch, gives you good contact with you know when the leads hit the bottom, and a good fight with the fish. So beautiful little combo, 15 to 20 pound class rod and the little C20 reel. Cracking little combo.